it's Kimberly and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited today because I finally got my Colourpop. I got a Best of Orange lip kit. Super excited to try this out. I think it'll look really good on my skin tone. This is the lip palette. I was looking at the colors and they looked gorgeous, so I wanted to try it out. Apparently, and don't kill me, I don't know anything, this is by, oh, it says right here, Bretman. I don't know who that is. I believe he's a YouTuber. No idea who he is, but I think this is a fierce color palette.
As you can tell, I love these so much.